So, my friend, this is Amit. Here is a very urgent and important information for all the students of JEE Mains 2026. That is expected marks versus percentile versus your category rank. Means each category will be covered here: General, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. And for PWD, I have already made a separate video. You can go to PWD playlist and watch all the video related to PWD student. So first versus second means first attempt how much marks you have to score to get a particular percentile and rank. In second attempt how much marks, because in first and second attempt if there will be same paper then you have to score a little bit more marks second attempt, because more student will be having the same level of preparation, means upper level of preparation. So here is the information that is about JEE Mains 2026. Kindly watch the video up to the last and kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any update, and until your final counseling process, admission process, I will be guiding you. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any video, not only about JEE Mains but for all entrance exam across India. So first of all, if you are targeting 99.9 plus percentile, that is the top one. So for that 245 marks is required in first attempt, and second attempt 270 marks. After the slash, the data is for second attempt. You can check sidewise. And for general the rank will be 1500, OBC 450, EWS 150, SC 100, ST 25. That is all our category rank. For general it is CRL rank, that is common rank list. For 99.8 plus percentile, 230 marks is required in first attempt, second attempt 255. Rank will be 3000, 900, 300, 250. That is general, OBC, EWS, SC, ST respectively. Now for 99.5 plus 210 marks is required. After slash you can check the data for second attempt how much marks you have to get the same percentile. So rank will be 7.5 thousand for general, OBC 2250, EWS 700, SC 500, ST 100 rank you will get, that is in category. For 99 percentile, between 1000 rank, 4.5 thousand, 1.3 thousand, 1200, that is general, OBC, EWS, SC, ST respectively, and marks requirement is 180 and 210, means 30 marks more you have to score in second attempt if you want the same percentile, because more students will be having the better preparation level in the month of April. So hope you get my point. Now for 98 percentile, your marks will be 160 and 180, and rank will be 30, 9000, 2.6 thousand, 2.2 thousand, and 450 rank. That is for all the category. Sideways you can check the detail also. And here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance for each and every type of entrance exam across India. That is JEE Main, JEE Advanced, BETSAT, COMEDK, as well as VIT, SRM, KSET, KIT, MSTCT, all type of entrance exam. I will guide you personally from now itself, so that you will get the best result, and later you will get the best branch and college also through the counseling, that is different type of counseling across India. So if you want to get the paid guidance, you can contact me. The number is available on the screen, or you can join through my app or website also. The link is available in the description box. Thank you. Let's continue this video. That is 145 and 160 marks are required for 97 percentile, and rank you can check sidewise, that is 45,000 for general, and other category you can check sidewise. For 96, 135, 160 marks is required. It is first and second attempt, 60,000 rank, and the other category you can check sidewise. And the important thing is that whatever rank I am considering is the final rank after second attempt, because you will get the rank after second attempt only, that is after April attempt, based on the best of the percentile of two attempt of the exam, that is January and April. After January you will only get the percentile, not the rank. So up 95 percentile, 75,000 rank, and 125, 135 marks is required. That is for general, and other category you can check sidewise the rank. For 93, 105 marks is required for first time, second time 120, and rank will be 1,05,000 for general. Other category you can check sidewise. For 90, 1.5 lakh rank, 85 and 105 marks is required. For 87, 78 and 98 marks is required. 1.95 lakh will be the general rank. Other category rank you can check sidewise. For 84, 73 and 90 marks is required. Rank will be 2.4 lakh. For 80, 65 and 80 marks is required. Rank will be 3 lakh. For 75, 60 and 70 marks is required. Rank will be 3.75 lakh. Sidewise you can check OBC, EWS, and thereafter SC, ST rank also. That is all 5 category I am considering here. For 65, 50 and 55 marks is required. Rank will be 5.25 lakh. For 60, 45 and 50 marks is required. Rank will be 6 lakh. 55, 40 and 45 marks are required, 6.7 lakh rank will be there. I am considering the low marks also, because different type of private college across India you will get at lower marks also. Even if you are general, if you are looking for an IT triple IT, obviously you have to get more marks. That also I will provide you soon, that is how much marks category wise a student needs to have to get an IT triple IT GFTI college. So kindly subscribe the channel. For 40 percentile, 23 and 26 marks are required, 9 lakh rank will be there. And for other category, that is OBC 2.7 lakh, EWS 92,000 and SC 68,000, ST 30,000 rank will be there. Now I will discuss about the advanced cutoff. That is very important. Means to qualify the advanced exam, how much minimum marks or percentile you should have in mains to get into the advanced examination. That is qualification for advanced. General 93 to 94 percentile will be the cutoff. Marks requirement is in first attempt 107 will give you the qualification, but in second attempt to get the same qualification for advanced you have to score 122 marks on a moderate paper. If the paper will be easy or hard, marks will change accordingly, that is 5 to 10 marks up and down. OBC 79 to 80 percentile and marks requirement is 65 and 77 in first and second attempt respectively. EWS 81 to 82 percentile will be the cutoff. Percentile will remain same. You have to achieve the same percentile, but to get that percentile different marks is required in different attempt and different shape depending on the difficulty of the paper. So 68 and 80 marks is required. SC 61 to 62 percentile is required. Marks requirement 45 and 50 first attempt, second attempt respectively. ST category 47 to 48 marks is required. 47 to 48 percentile is required and marks requirement is 33 and 37 in first and second attempt. And for PWD 0.011 percentile is required, and the short form JAFA means just appear for the exam and you are qualified for the advanced exam. This is as simple as that. So the important thing is that you have to subscribe this channel so that you will be getting everything until your final admission. So kindly subscribe and like, share this video as much as possible. Thank you.